shall write the two names in Latin characters in the board so that we can speak a little bit about them. So we have got Saraswati and Harachvaiti. It doesn't matter about these two, that's how they're being written. It will be too complicated to go into it. Now, observe this. The Vati and the Vaiti are common to both languages. Saras in Sanskrit, in Vedic, comes from Dhatu Sr, which is given the meaning Gatau. Sr, Gatau in the Dhatu, Pata. Now, this Sr is found also in Tocharian as Sal. It's found in Latin as Sal. And also in Greek as Hal. Or Hial, so Sr is a perfectly Indo-European dhatu. But when we come to Avestan, we can't find a dhatu. We find only Hara, only the word Hara. There is no other word in Avestan connected with Hara. There is no other relative. It's an orphan. Whereas Saraswati has got Sarit, Sara, and so on and so forth. A whole bunch of words, a large family, all deriving from Sr. Okay? So, mainstream theory, Aryan invasion immigration theory says that the Indo-Aryans left Iran, southeast Iran, and moved to Sapta Sindhu. But what happens here? There was, they say, a river Harachvaiti there in Iran, and when they came to Sapta Sindhu and they saw this splendid river, they called it Saraswati. Yes, okay, they did that, but did they also invent this and all the rest of it to go with the other Indo-Europeans? How is it that they have got this relationship with the Indo-European branches, but Avestan doesn't have it? Avestan stayed put. Indo-Aryans moved on. Now, if you move on, you tend to lose elements of your culture because you don't have time to sit and teach your young children. Whereas if you stay put, you've got plenty of time to sit and teach your children. So how come that Avestan lost all this, the connection with Indo-European, but the Indo-Aryan Vedic, which was on the move, retained it? It would be more reasonable to suppose that it was the Iranians that moved away from Sapta Sindhu or close to Sapta Sindhu. They moved into Iran, and from Iran they moved northwestwards, and so the Persian culture spread right through ancient Iran. So this is yet another nail on the coffin of the Aryan invasion immigration theory.